Maeve, what do you got there? What's that?
A
You-
piggy.
What? How do you know? You peeked? You got a box? A box came for you? Really? Well, open it. Let's see what's in there.
Cat piggy.
Use two hands.
It's a mouse.
It's a mouse. You need help? Mommy, help.
Ooh, look how cute.
Whoa, open that one. It's stuck.
This one.
Whoa, what do you got there? Hold it up. Turn it around.
Little kitty.
I don't know. Turn it around. Let me see it.
Cats.
It's a Hello Kitty. Or is it? It's a cat piggy bank. That's what it is. Because you broke your little piggy bank, remember? Grandma knew about it. And she got you a new one. Look,
You like it?
your money goes right here. So we're going to put money in there today.
Where's your money?
Stop there. Open it.
I like cats.
You like cats?
Grandma knew I liked cats.
Grandma knew?
Take that off.
Grandma knew that you like cats?
Yeah.
You told her?
Okay, put some money in there. We're gonna give you more. You saving for college?
This is a cute cat.
That's a cute cat.
Yeah.
Wow, there you go. You like it? All right. You want to say anything?
Thank you.
To
To who?
Grandma Lisa. Say it.
Thank you, Grandma Lisa.
All right.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.